Hello, I'm Xavier Tillman. Today I'm going to explain and talk about photochemical smog. First, I'm going to talk about precursors. Precursors are basically the things that make up photochemical smog. One is nitrogen dioxide, which is a primary pollutant that gets released by car emissions, then gets broken down by sunlight into nitrogen oxide and oxygen. The single oxygen atom combines with atmospheric oxygen and creates ozone, a primary pollutant and another precursor. Finally, the last one is VOCs, which are volatile organic compounds that evaporate easily. Some sources are gasoline and cleaning supplies and other oil-based things. Now I'm going to talk about how the tropospheric ozone is created. During the daytime, cars emit nitrogen dioxide when going to work and school. Then the nitrogen dioxide is broken down by the sun into O and NO. Then the single oxygen atom is combined with the atmospheric oxygen, producing ozone. At night, tropospheric ozone destruction occurs, which is basically the reverse of what happens during the daytime. The ozone from the atmosphere combines with the nitrogen oxide to create nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Smog will not be created in these conditions because ozone is built up during the day but is depleted at night. During the day, VOCs, volatile organic compounds, combine with NO to produce photochemical oxidants, and the photochemical oxidants combine with ozone to create photochemical smog. Factors that increase photochemical smog formation are vehicles. Vehicles on the road produce NO2, which help produce ozone, which then produces smog. This really increases the formation when there's a lot of traffic, for example, rush hour. Another is volatile organic compounds like gasoline, plastic factories, and paint. Electricity demand will increase the amounts of nitrogen oxide emissions for nearby power plants. Also, if there's more sunlight, more ozone will be produced. And if the temperatures are warmer, the speed of evaporation of VOCs and reaction that lead to ozone production will increase. Impacts of photochemical smog in the environment and economy are that photosynthesis will be reduced by reducing sunlight. It also irritates animal respiratory tracts. It irritates human respiratory systems, worsening asthma and bronchitis, and also irritating eyes. Healthcare costs will increase due to the treatments of asthma and bronchitis. Also, there will be a loss of productivity due to workers missing work or dying from sickness. And finally, there will be a decrease in agricultural yields due to less sunlight reaching the crops and damaging the plant stomata. Now I'm going to talk about two ways the production of photochemical smog can be reduced. One way is to not drive as much and use public transportation like buses, because if there's less vehicles on the road, less ozone and NO2 will be produced. Another way is to use renewable sources of energy like wind turbines, solar panels, and dams. Doing this will release less nitrogen oxides than coal. This is me, Xavier, and Daniel's photochemical smog project for Mr. Patel's 6th period. Thanks for watching.